Are you someone who finds it difficult to deal with daily life hassles and are often confused what is the root cause of you being riddled with such negative emotions or anxiety? Do you often wonder whether it is because of your boss giving you a negative remark or you having a fight with a friend or a significant other a week ago? Well, then, you may be lacking mindfulness, and this is the tutorial for you. Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on RAIN, Coping with the Cycle of Your Thoughts and Emotions. I am Dr. Prerna Kohli, a clinical psychologist and the founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling, support groups, communities, workshops, and e-learning for improving your mental health. Let us first take the example of Alex. Alex is in a demanding job that puts immense pressure on him to meet tight deadlines and high expectations. Looking ahead, Alex is anxious about his financial stability. He worries about being able to afford his living expenses and fears not being able to achieve his long-term career goals. But he is unable to focus on his work because of the amount of pressure from his workspace. This environment frequently triggers feelings of shame, anger, and helplessness, stemming from the internalization of hurtful words spoken by his neglectful and verbally abusive parents. Extreme self-criticism has caused Alex to feel stuck and have low self-esteem. But Alex performs well at his workplace. This causes him to feel confused as to why he feels this way. To find a way out of this situation, Alex realizes that practicing mindfulness is the solution. Mindfulness, as mentioned earlier, is being aware of your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the surrounding environment through a gentle and nurturing lens. RAIN is a technique used for mindfulness, which is characterized by being aware of what's happening in the present moment and helping people like Alex stay mindful of their feelings while staying non-judgmental towards themselves. The RAIN technique is designed to help you become more confident, communicate better with others, and improve your self-esteem. Let us learn how you can use the RAIN technique through the following steps. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Now, sit or lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Place each of your palms on your chest and stomach. Try to relax every part of your body. Start by unclenching your jaw and relaxing your neck, shoulders, arms, fingers, torso, and legs. Make sure that when you breathe in, your stomach protrudes more than your chest. Now, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. In this technique, each of the letters in the word RAIN stands for an instruction. Let us go through each one of them. The first step is the R in RAIN, which stands for recognizing what is happening. This means consciously acknowledging the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that are affecting you at any given moment. Try to name what you are feeling at the moment and observe the emotions or thoughts which are paining you. You may be feeling annoyed, frustrated, angry, sad, hurt, or even insecure. If you're finding it difficult to name your emotions, you may look up the emotion wheel online to help identify and verbalize your feelings. Remember that your emotions should be observed without judgment, meaning that you do not label them as bad or good, but simply identify and realize what kind of emotion you are feeling. The second step is A, which stands for allowing the experience to be there, just as it is. When you realize how you feel, it can be tempting to immediately act upon it. When you sense stress, you try to quickly solve the problem. Your feelings should especially not be pushed away, left to fester there until they resurface in an unwelcome moment. Therefore, you must accept and allow yourself to feel this way. This involves letting the thoughts, emotions, feelings, or sensations you have recognized simply be there without trying to fix or avoid anything. Repeat to yourself, "Yes, this is how I'm feeling," or mentally whisper, "It's okay," or tell yourself, "This is how it is right now," without attempting to change it. This may be unpleasant, but remember to be kind to yourself and don't try to fix or judge it, just let it be. The next step is I, which stands for investigating with interest and care. This incorporates exploring the root cause of your emotions and thoughts. Stay open-minded and curious. Ask yourself, what does it feel like? How are these feelings affecting my thoughts? How did this start? Have I felt this way before? Next, try to identify where your body is feeling these emotions. You may feel a heaviness in your chest, dryness in your throat, shaking or numbness in your limbs, or even pain in your neck and shoulders. Lastly, try and identify your needs at the moment. What would help alleviate the unsettling thought or feeling in your body go away? Some examples may include acceptance, forgiveness, love, or even belonging. The last and final step from the RAIN acronym is N, which stands for nurturing yourself with self-compassion. Now that you've identified your sources of discomfort and the needs which might help alleviate them, it is necessary to nurture your mind and body until you feel soothed or the distress goes down. Experiment and see which intentional gesture of kindness most helps to comfort. Make sure to be kind towards your experience so far and recite some comforting messages. Try to whisper to yourself, I love you, you are okay, or anything else you need. Think of a friend, family member, pet, or spiritual figure, and imagine their love flowing to you. Acknowledge that you are a whole person, and this difficult emotion is just a tiny, fleeting part of who you are, and calm and center yourself to the present moment. Remember, you may utilize this mindfulness technique whenever you're going through any kind of uncomfortable emotion or are feeling reactive or numb. It may be when you're feeling triggered due to a situation or another person, when you're zoning out while doing other activities, or even when you just want to check in with yourself. To conclude, the RAIN technique offers a powerful and accessible tool for individuals seeking emotional well-being and self-awareness. By acknowledging and accepting your emotions without judgment, you can navigate through challenging situations, heal past wounds, and cultivate a deeper connection with yourself and others. You can practice the RAIN method anytime you feel a difficult emotion arising, or you can use it in everyday life by checking in with yourself regularly. Just remember to stay flexible and be patient with yourself and let the process unfold in its own time.